earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Karol Swan about the versatility of corn. And now Karol is back with a recipe to share, and Taryn is standing by with more.
I wore the right color today. We're talking about pumpkin.
Yeah.
I'm wearing orange today. And you have a pumpkin trifle for us.
Yes. It's really easy. So we start with 2 boxes of pudding and butterscotch pudding and 1 1/4 cups of milk, and you just start stirring that together.
Where'd you get this recipe, Karol?
Well, it was out of one from my sister-in-law. She's a really good cook. I've used some of hers.
Ooh. We love having good cooks in the family, don't we?
Yes, and I made it and tried it out again on my church ladies.
And they liked it?
They're patient. They are so patient sometimes. All right, and you just kind of stir it in there, and we'll put our other box of pudding.
I don't want to go too crazy.
Pumpkin pie spice and cinnamon.
Okay.
There.
I don't want to make a big mess, Karol.
Yeah. Here, I'll
Finish it up.
I'll finish it up.
Okay.
And what we do is we layer it, and I use a 1/2 of a cake. I bake the whole spice cake, but I just use it 1/2 of it, of 9 by 12. And this is 1/2 of it cut into 1/4, so this is each 1/4 here. So we'll do this, and then we'll pour, if you want to take the fork out, and then you can put another. We'll put 1/2 of it in, and then you take one of those little cups of cake crumbs and just dump it on top.
Dump it on top,
and kind of spread it around with a fork.
Okay.
And then we'll take 1/2 of the Cool Whip.
So you're kind of layering?
Yes, kind of layer it and make it look kind of pretty. And then another cup.
Okay.
And spread it around.
All right.
And then we'll put the other rest of the pumpkin on top, and one more layer.
Okay.
One more layer of crumbs.
Okay.
And then we'll top it off with the Cool Whip.
Perfect.
So it's really pretty, really easy. It's really showy.
Oh, yeah.
You know. And it's really tasty.
So you can just put it in a nice, pretty bowl.
Yeah, pretty bowl, and it shows your layers. And if you can eat it right away or let it sit.
So you can put it in the fridge or eat it right away.
Yeah, and it'll last quite a while in the fridge.
This would be a nice alternative to pumpkin pie.
Yes, because look at how fast it went.
If you don't want the whole crust in there.
Yeah.
Oh, this is really good.
Yeah, and they're fun to make. And if you wanted to be creative, you could, take some vanilla pudding and a vanilla cake, and if somebody didn't like pumpkin, like somebody at home said, you don't need to make that.
Really? Okay. Well, if you would like to have this recipe for yourself, I do have it on our Facebook pages, on my Facebook page, and on the Pure Nebraska page. People were sharing it already last night.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
So thank you, Karol. Back to you.